Hey folks, I'm at Playa de Las Vistas Beach, Las Américas, and I'm just taking a wee walk to Los Cristianos, so let's go, let's check it out. Now it's a lovely day, look there, look at that. So I'm just going to walk along here. If you've seen my previous videos, you'd have seen that I was looking for a new hat. And I got one. Have to say, the lady told me this hat was €89 and it was just to €39, so that's a €50 reduction. If you believe that, you'll believe anything. There's no way this hat's worth €89. Sorry, but don't believe it. But it's the closest I could get to my style that fitted, so I'm fairly happy with it. Unfortunately, the one I got in Vegas is ruined and I have to throw that away. But it's very hot here, so I might keep it for a couple of days, just for when I'm not filming. Oh, a shame because I like that. It's just a very hot day. It's a lovely beach, but just a bit too busy. I like the vibe of Los Cristianos better. This is for all the young ones. I feel old saying that.
You are lucky, eh? You are lucky. You are lucky there.
Nearly 50. You alright, my man? So, one thing when you walk about with a camera talking to yourself, basically, there's a lot of people that come up and say hello. I used to kind of edit them out because I didn't really know how to fully engage with them. I know that sounds kind of silly. You're kind of wondering they're out being on camera and that, but obviously they are. So I just film it and just let them join in. My recent salute videos, I had somebody join me for my entire walk just about. If you're watching, thank you very much for that. Hope you're enjoying my Tenerife videos. If you've never been to Tenerife, you just need to check it out. Try to think of their names because it's just off the top of my head. Finlay and... oh, sorry. Do you know who you are? Thanks for that, it's one of my best performing videos. Wish you were here to join me in this spot, it's absolutely lovely here. If you've never been, you've got to go to Tenerife. And don't be offended that I forgot your name. I've got a bad memory. So, up here you can go up here and takes you to the port, the harbour. Down here, you go through a speed tunnel and it takes you to Los Cristianos. So, let's check it out. There's the alley hop. There's actually, well, there's at least 2 alley hops in Las Américas. The other one is at the end of the Golden Mile. So we'll just go through here. Oh, it's very hot. I'm just going down here. Oh, very, very hot. I think after I finish this video, I'll probably put the camera away, go get something to eat. Done a fair bit of walking today, been out for about 3 hours, just filming stuff. Started off at the top of Cardiac Hill, worked on my way down. Aye. It's hard work, see filming at the top of Cardiac Hill, doing a few videos for different hotels, walking up and down, it's hard. And now I've got to go halfway up Cardiac Hill. Not looking forward to it at all. And there's Playa dos... Oh, sorry, my Spanish is terrible, so don't speak it. There's Playa de Los Cristianos Beach. It's a lovely beach. Over there's the harbour. For those that don't know, Los Cristianos started off as a fishing village and it's just grew to the resort it is today. Really like it. It's a lovely place to visit. Very relaxed.
Y lo lleva así porque esas son cosas de que se copia de Hugo. Claro, Hugo antes, no te acuerdas, antes siempre iba así también.
Here's like the restaurant area. Basically right along that strip, that road. Then there's obviously stuff along the front as well. But I'll leave that for another video. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and share. It would really help the channel out. And please leave a wee comment, let me know what you think. I really like Los Cristianos. Las Américas is nice too. Very hot day. Going to go for some eating a pint. So take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.